Thanks for joining me today on Majid's Kitchen, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. In today's video we made Khao pad Goong, which is fried rice with shrimps. So these shrimps are shelled and deveined and the tails are left on, and this is how you mostly find them when eating in Thailand, especially street food. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need some leftover rice for this particular recipe. Leftover rice being pulled from the fridge nice and cold, which is a little drier than your fresh rice that has just come from the steamer. We'll also need 2 eggs. For vegetables, I'm using kale, chopped. It's not too big, as you can see. You can also use other vegetables like Chinese broccoli, bok choy, or any leafy green that you prefer. I have some tomatoes, which is not common usually in fried rice, but in Thailand this is used as one of the vegetable ingredients. Green onions sliced, about half a carrot cut nice and small, 3 cloves of garlic, half an onion sliced, some red chili, limes, and for the seasoning, salt, pepper, sugar, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. For the condiments, I have sliced tomatoes, some green onion, cucumbers, and so for most Thai or any Thai rice stir-fried dishes, you'd make this sauce called prik nam pla. It's basically chilies in a fish sauce with a little bit of lime juice. So I've got about 3 tablespoons approximately of fish sauce. I'm using 1 chili. You can add more. These chilies are really hot. And to this, I'm going to add lime juice, and that will give it a nice hit of tartness that will balance with the saltiness of the fish sauce. Let's heat up a wok and get this fried rice going. Our wok is set to medium-high heat. We'll add in a little bit of oil and begin with the cooking of the shrimps. I'm going to add in the shrimps to this, and we will add a little bit of garlic to that. Just cook them a little. Let them get a little color. Do not overcook. Okay, so at this point we'll take them off the heat. Just a slight bit of color there. And that goes off. Get your pan back on the heat. Add in the remainder garlic and chilies. Add in a little more oil. And at this point, add in the eggs. Just kind of break it. Take your rice. I have the soy sauce in here. Add the soy sauce to the rice. Give the eggs. Right. Let's break that up a bit. There we have the rice in there. So we're going to put the rice in. Now I put half of the rice. Let that cook with the eggs and the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna put the rice aside, just like this. Touch of oil. And now we work with the vegetables. The onions go in. Add in the carrots. These are the stems. Oh, this is one full stem of the kale. Stir fry that a little. Let's add in the kale right to that. Now you can use any vegetable, as I mentioned earlier. Alright, that's cooking nicely. This is very easy. Put the tomatoes in. Some nice color. Okay, now we can begin to incorporate that. Now we can add in our oyster sauce. Give that a mix. The remainder of our rice. Remember to taste for seasoning. And at this stage, you can add in the shrimp and let that cook a little more. A good pinch of sugar. Some black pepper. You can use white pepper if you wish. Our dish is done. Now we can add in some of the green onions. Turn off the heat. Our Thai rice is ready. Let's serve and see what it looks like. Beautiful shrimp fried rice. An authentic recipe brought to you by Majid's Kitchen. You can add any vegetable or protein as you desire. Let's make room. Let's garnish this with our tomato and our cucumber slices that we did earlier. And our cucumber slices. Some green onion. Now, I love to squeeze a little bit of lime juice on the rice, followed by a sprinkle of black pepper and some of our naan-prick flour right over the rice. Let's have a taste. Tell you, the naan-prick flour gives it such a wonderful flavor, and that's where all my chili is in that salted seasoning of that fish sauce lime juice. It just brings it to another level. I hope you like it. Let's take a closer look. Substitute the fish sauce with ponzu, a mixture of soy and lemon juice, or use a good quality vinegar and follow the same recipe. Understanding of one another is made easier through food and culture. I love being inspired and to inspire others. Share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.